Hai biết là Zara, when you finish the financial plan with the 12 months, I think not enough for you to control everything. And
Mm-hmm.
you should go to the next step. You just
Okay.
you just build financial positions to see the overview financial for financial management, because just cash flow, just the outing of the cash, not show you the financial position how you are. You understand? You got it?
Mhm.
Yeah.
It doesn't show how. I'm sorry.
So the the
Mhm.
session the se- what you want
Yes.
to ask me? What you want to ask
I
me?
didn't understand the word. This Excel doesn't show out
Yeah.
my financial position. Is that right?
Yes, not just a part, just part of.
Just a
Yeah.
part. Okay, okay, okay.
Yes. For example, the financial management, we have control three parts.
Mhm,
Mr. Hoàng teach you already. Maybe you remember, you forgot. The first uh,
mhm.
growth income, the first income, okay? The second
Yes.
cash, and the third financial position, okay? So
Mm-hmm.
income, you can see in your here, here
Yes.
already. Very simple. But in the company, the income, so they make the complicated report called that P&L, profit and loss. Very
Mm-hmm.
complicated. A lot of the items, expensive and item revenue. But in your private, I think just one line because very simple. You maybe I work for the company and they pay me the salary. Very simple.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But in the company, very complicated. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is the financial. You should control. You should control this income, cash, and final position. Income of you very simple. Okay, maybe you just divide what kind of the income, how many kind of income. Okay, so I
Okay.
just give you a sample, just one income from salary, very simple, and you can control or you can improve the income in hand. You work hard and you work more to get the more income, so you can control this. And the
Mm-hmm.
cash by forecast,
Mm-hmm.
that's already income already. Okay, done, done. And right now, next step, you should build financial position, and that's finished, and that's all. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So you remember the first class I teach you the financial position. Okay, something wrong. Yeah. Is it? Where is it? Here. Remember? Remember this?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. So I will copy paste here for you.
Okay.
Yes. And this I will copy paste here. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So we can control final position monthly. So we move the liability and equity under the assets. Is okay?
Mm-hmm.
Make you confused or not?
I can follow. Yes.
Yeah, it's okay. So right now you can make the cash flow here. So I zoom for you to see. Yes, here. Oh, maybe I make the I looking for you the financial position. I think very I think this is enough. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
car depreciation, I think it's okay. Horse here long here. Okay, borrow your friend. Okay. Yeah, it's I think it's enough for you to understand. No need
Okay.
more. Mm.
Mm-hmm.
So the first, you can put the cash here. Is or not? Is not okay or not?
It's okay.
What what how you put the cash balance here?
How much for the
Yes,
cash?
yes, yes. Can you guess?
Let's say 5,000. The cash in my bank, let's say 5,000.
No, this here.
Ah, you mean the formula?
Yes, yes, yes.
Ah,
I see.
okay, okay,
I correct this. Maybe something wrong because make your cash minus. Okay.
okay.
So I put your cash balance dash figure, the figure. You understand or not?
At the end balance cash. Ah, okay. Ah, we're
Yes,
going to
yes,
continue. Okay, yes, I
yes.
got it.
Okay. Yes. You have a car. You have a car. So maybe you just evaluate. That's all. Because if you buy a car in a you have the already pay already, so you just evaluation the car. How
Mm-hmm.
much maybe you have the uh,
The monthly payment for the car?
no, the car you pay already. You don't rental. If you rental, you have the income. You minus in income. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm. So maybe you just want have 5,000 and the car you can liquidation. Okay.
The 5,000 is the amount of the car that I already paid.
Yeah, already paid, but right now you can
Okay.
estimate and evaluation liquidation value.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
You understand? Maybe you paid you bought already the car with the 5,000, but right now you can sell the car maybe just 2,000.
Mm-mm. Okay.
Yeah, and
I
maybe
mean the value of the car now. Okay.
yes, and maybe you can change month by month. If you see you can if
Yeah,
you get
yes.
that some month
There's
will not.
depreciation.
Yes, here maybe 1,000 you can change and
Okay.
maybe this này you can make not if your real plan maybe
Mm-hmm.
you delete the depreciation and amortization maybe make you
Mm-hmm.
complicated in the company
Mm-hmm.
are very important but in the private you just leave it ignore it. Okay, make you confused. So event or something SS you can list other SS you
Mm-hmm.
can you can sell it. Okay, maybe here
What are the examples of other assets again?
assets other asset ah you have some of the land money
Yes.
your to your friend.
Like friend, yes.
Yes, maybe at the upload you lend money to them maybe 4,000
Mm-hmm.
and after that you can ask them to pay again here
Mm-hmm.
ask the lending
Mm-hmm.
from your friend here. Okay.
Yes.
So based on um your view the financial position at the yeah, and you see that you don't make any plan to ask them to pay you again. So this money not available here. So
Mm-hmm.
the balance still here. The balance still here. So you can make the balance this with the formula. This you minus this here. Here. You can see and you
Mm-hmm.
pick this and after that you can copy paste. So for example here if you want to buy something MBA register you want to buy more 300 3,000 and you see that your cash balance minus and you cannot ask parent or you cannot go to the bank to make the loan so you
Mm-hmm.
ask your friend please pay me
Mm-hmm.
the money how much I need you have the 2,000 is okay.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yes, it's okay.
yes. Oh, sorry. Here we have pick. You have the pick this, and after that you see it here.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, and
So
this the
2,000 left.
yeah the
Okay.
final position help you to control the receivable. Maybe you forget.
Mm-hmm.
to ask something to buy for you.
Okay.
Have you ever like this? You
Have you ever, I'm sorry?
forget the someone borrow your money, and after that you forgot to ask them to pay again.
Yes, of course. Yeah,
Yes.
it
So
happened.
yeah, finance position help you to control this, and they
Mm-hmm.
connect.
Okay.
Yes, they connect with the cash forecasting. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
if you want to buy something here, you can ask them pay more. So here and pay me here.
That two more,
Oh,
$2,000.
sorry. Here, đi. So, and this is minus. Sorry. Catch it.
Yes.
Put it here, and this zero, and
Mm-hmm.
they not payable to you. Okay, so got it
Mm-hmm.
with the formula.
Yes.
Very simple. Some Excel formula can help you everything. When I work in
So,
the company, yeah.
the example of other assets is the money that, for example, the money that I lend to my friends. That is other assets. Is that right?
No, other asset maybe some of the tools, some of the
Mm-hmm.
some of the tool just a little money, not valuable. Sometimes if you don't have time, money, you can sell it, but not valuable. And some of your assets, maybe a refrigerator, uh,
Like jewelry, maybe I
yeah,
have jewelry that I can sell, so that is
yes,
an other
yes, yes,
asset.
yes, yes, but not
Oh,
valuable,
okay.
not liquidation, not liquidation. You can make a listing and estimate all of them. Yeah, okay. So you just
Can you give a exact example of other assets? Like what?
like watch this. The first the advance to supplier first, and the second the tool, and
Yeah,
the
what are these, to be exact?
tool maybe
Like
some
tools of,
in
yeah,
your
tools is,
refrigerator, right?
uh-huh.
How he saw it, refrigerator,
Fridge, FRI, yeah,
air
DG.
conditioner, TV,
Yes.
conditioner,
Things that I
TV,
can sell.
yes,
Yes, yes.
the pie, but not the fixed assets, just under maybe 5,000, very
Okay,
little
okay.
money. But if you don't have money, maybe you can sell it into to get the money back.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
So
I understand
from,
now.
yes, for balance year and cash. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
For
Okay, okay,
example,
yes.
yeah. For example, you want to buy a new phone here, or
Mm-hmm.
some equipment new here, and money you have this. So you can think about some of your family tool and equipment and you sell it.
Mm-hmm.
Got it?
Yeah, yeah, yes. I understand now.
Mm. And you have some of the investment, but short term, short term,
Mm-hmm.
mm-hmm. Short term, and short term investment
Mm-hmm.
and long term the same. You have the land
Uh,
and
okay.
real estate here. How you call it? Real X tax.
Mhm.
Okay,
Real estate. Okay.
okay. So maybe you have the stock. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so
Mm-hmm.
you can list down and valuation right now and why you can list down. After that, you can calculate total the excess here.
Mm-hmm.
The first, the total excess here very important. The second, you can make the liquidation priority when you don't have money for the living payment or for the some new investment. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. For example, you have plan maybe um the 200, and you can get here. You don't want to buy them or something. You just make the same. You just make the same. So
Okay.
the total your asset right now very big. So 2,000. And
Mm-hmm.
after that, you balance the equity. You
Mm-hmm.
balance equity. So this is the forecasting. Show your financial position, maybe connection with the cash forecasting. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, right now you see it. You buy the iPhone equipment. You register MBA finance. So if you can see that the iPhone equipment, you can make more here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Yes.
yes. So when, for example, you can make here that is here. Got this? Got this?
Mm.
Mm. So your assets increase because this is the fixed assets. Okay. And the
Okay.
loan, yeah. Maybe the final position and the cash forecasting the connection together, not separate.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yes. And if you make the plan this for the long payment, so in the long maybe in the 5,000 you have 5,000 here. You have the for you borrow the pen maybe how much 10. So I I make minus here. Oh no. Plus plus here. Just look at here and fix
Mm-hmm.
this. Okay. So you can see the balance ending here. It's okay.
Okay.
So the final position in the liability help you to control the liability should you should to pay them. Okay. So right now in the March next year, you also you have the balance and payable with the bank just 5,000. If you buy them monthly 500. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Very clear.
Yes, it's clear.
Yes, and you don't have the any money borrow from your friends, so maybe you can guess your parent not pay not give you any money, so you can get the estimate remain income is okay or not. I ask
Yeah.
you remember I teach you already the total equity and liability equal together. You remember?
The total assets is total equity and liabilities.
Yes. Okay. So you can guess the remaining income how much? How much?
The remaining, the first this month
Yes, here.
201,510.
Yes, here. Okay, this is just ring.
Mm-hmm.
And
Mm-hmm.
so take always zero because you don't remember the salary, the income you accumulated from the past. So you can use the formula balance between total asset and total equity liability. So you have the final position right now. It's okay.
So
Always.
my financial, this is my total financial position.
Yes,
When
this is
I Okay, when I already know so my financial position this year, this month is I have the remaining income 201,510.
yes, just remain just the balance. if you
Okay.
if you evaluate or you remember some of the liability, if you
Mhm.
remember you have the money payable from your friend, maybe you can put here. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And you have some of the borrow from your parent, and this is
Mm.
the remain.
So I need to add it to my liabilities.
Yes, so
So it
the first
depends on
one
every month.
yes, you make the final position. The first you write a priority to be evaluate some of the item you know exactly the value how much they are first, and after that the remain income just the balance. You got it?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And after that I think you should correct again, and the next month cannot estimate, cannot exactly. The first time you can tolerate, tolerate, and
Yes.
you accept some of the error. Okay, this is error. But in the June, not error anything, no error. Okay, it's okay.
What do you mean for the tools? For the tools, there are no errors.
Yeah, I think some of error because some of the your tool may be not valuable, and
Mm-hmm,
you can
mm-hmm.
estimate just some of the just estimate not exactly, but you can keep.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
you can keep, and you go to the June. Maybe you correct some of the uh, income, new
Mm-hmm.
income. That you can calculate from your here. Possible here. Some it is here. Here, here, plus some this. You understand this?
That
Yeah.
is the new income, like just my new. What
Yes.
do you mean new income? But that is my liability, not my asset.
Your income in your equity.
I see, I see. Okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Yes. Here, and this in your liability. Okay.
Yes, okay, okay. I got it.
Yes, and this is your investment.
Mm, mm, mm.
How we call it? And this is your living assets.
Yes, the cash. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Living your assets. Okay. So we have four parts in the financial position. The
Mm,
first,
mm, mm.
the
The
short
expense,
term,
investment.
yeah, short-term living assets, and long-term long-term assets include the
Mm,
investment or other long-term investment. And in the equity and liability, you have two part. The first, liability, and the second,
mm, mm,
equity include the first, your parent give you the money and you don't pay back them. They give you forever.
mhm.
And the
Just allowance,
yes,
maybe.
the new income you create.
Mhm.
And the third, the income in the past and accumulate to now. Okay.
Yes, yes. Mhm.
Mm. So here, yeah, you got it, just balance. And you just the first, you just make simple, not feel stressful to make this, just the first here to evaluate. And that up
Mhm.
the real cash, the your real cash, just net assets.
Mhm.
Net asset value, you remember the formula I teach you already?
Net asset value is total assets
Minus
and plus
minus
the formula.
liability. Yeah, the formula.
Yeah,
Liability.
liability and equity.
Yes. This is your net asset. Very important. Very
Net
important.
asset value is actually similar with the
Equity.
only equity.
Yes. Here.
Okay. So net asset value is similar with equity, and the formula is total assets minus liability.
That's right.
Okay, okay.
Okay, and you should increase this. Not should increase this. Okay, should increase this.
Yeah, should increase total assets. Okay.
No. You should increase net asset value, not increase total assets.
You mean we should increase equity or the net asset
Yes.
value?
Equity.
Yes, that's right.
Equity is real your cash. Real, real cash. Okay.
Mhm,
So summary, the first, the first, if you want to control the private financial management, the private financial finance, you should control three things. Three things. The first, income. Okay,
mhm.
income.
Yes.
Second, the cash. The third,
Mhm.
financial position. And three of them connect together and related together. Okay, not separate.
The cash. The financial position and in income.
Yes, 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 yes. Okay.
Okay.
So they connect
Mm-hmm.
together, connection and related, not separate,
Mm-hmm.
not separate together. They connect together. And
Yes, yes. Yes.
after that, you understand this already. And you
Mm-hmm.
focus, you should focus on 80%, 80% for the future. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Future. And 20% for the past. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So 80% you focus to make the planning. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Don't try the best to make the statistics and to make the report of the past. Okay? So you can based on, or you can use you can use the technology or the bank statement to record the past transactions. Okay, you
Mm-hmm.
try to use automation to make the report,
Yes.
the batch
Mm-hmm.
report. So the time you just focus 20% of the for batch and 80% for future. And the future you have the 50% for the objective. You remember?
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Yes, the objectives for
Yes,
finance.
objective. Yes, objective. You know what you want, why you want it.
Yes.
Yes, and how you do it, and what you do. And after
Mm-hmm.
that, if you understand your objective and to how to do everything, so you make exactly the cash forecasting and income. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Yes.
50% objective. So and 30% to use using Excel and planning skill and forecasting skill. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
estimates to make the planning. Okay, so here always.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, maybe I to how many is it? And
Oh.
20% for controlling and observe,
Mm-hmm.
observe and management performance.
Mm-hmm.
How you get your objects you get or not, and how many percent you get the objective, the financial objective. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So just not focus a lot of the past. So just leave it. Okay, leave it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and you just focus the forecasting. Okay, so
Yes,
always
yes.
overrolling. And if you move to if you the main pass, you just move to the tune, and after that you review again the plan, and after that you adjust something and correct something, and after that you just revise and review everything one by one. Yeah, maybe you can
Mm-hmm.
make the target or objective that net asset value maybe 1 million. Okay.
In 1 year, for example, that's the objective.
Yes, yes, yes. And you can
Mm-hmm.
see that net asset right now, how much percent to this, how much percent, maybe just 21. And how much for this, maybe how much, how many years you get the objective, and you make the question about it. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay. So what you want to ask me?
Um, for the objectives, I think I know how to make objectives for, company for
Mm.
finance in a company, but for private financial plans, what are the objectives? For example, just like for example, for me, my objective maybe after a year, I should have like 300,000, what do you call this, equity. Is that an example of an
Net
objective?
asset value, equity, net asset value. Yes.
Yeah, so my
This
objective is my goal is like my goal after a year is I should
Here,
get
here,
300,000. So
there. Here,
that's
objective
an
here.
example of my
Object,
it's considered as an objective,
objective, we have
right?
the two part, non-finance and finance. Okay. The finance, you can make the KPI, the first net asset value. Okay. Here. Okay. I make here. And the second,
Yes.
yes, KPI here. Objective. Okay. And the second, you can make the mm,
This is still for
here, here, here.
private
iPhone,
financial plans.
iPhone or MBA. This is the objective.
Ah, okay, okay, okay.
Yes,
I got it. I got it.
yes, and maybe you can make some of the investment in yourselves. Investment in yourselves.
Mm-mm.
The beauty, the body. So you can make this. And MBA in the finance, I think that's non finance. You want to
Yes, that's
enhance your
non-finance.
professional and
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
equipment like finance.
Yeah,
Okay.
yes.
Anything
Yeah,
else?
I can feel.
If you want to make more objective, maybe you can flush more the here. Okay.
Mm-mm.
If
Yeah,
I
yes,
want
I
to
got it now.
yeah, if I want to build the global financial mentoring, so I
Mm-hmm.
calculate the cost. I calculate cost and
Yes,
I
yes.
here. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. This is my objective. I know clearly my objective. So
Mm-hmm.
help me to make the cash forecasting exactly. Yeah. And after that, I make this, and after that, I control very, very tightly.
Mm-hmm. Yes, controlling is really important.
Yes,
I got
controlling.
it.
And the 20% for the past, I think not focus so much because right now
Mm-mm.
we have the tools, we have the
Yes.
automation, we have the AI, we have the app from the pen.
Mhm.
Okay, some we have the remember and not important anymore. Okay.
Mhm.
Mhm. We live for today, we live for the future. The past not meaning anymore. Okay. We just
Mhm.
learn from the past. After that, we improve.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So we ask always we ask that our yeah our objective get or not objective. How
Mm.
about our objective? Okay.
Yes, 50% for objectives.
Yes.
Yes, yeah, I got it. I can follow, Kim. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you, Lara. Okay.
Yes, I think everything is clear. I'll
Yes.
just wait for the recording. All
Yes.
right.
Okay. I will
Yes.
send
Thank you
you.
so much. Yeah,
Thank
you
you.
have a good night.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye. Bye, everyone.
Mhm.